Welcome guys to lobster season 2021 out of Miami. I'm going to show you guys how we put the beast in the water. Let me turn the camera around. Sorry. There's Michael over there at the operations. You know, so put the boat on the hoists. That way we don't have to get the trailer wet with the salt water and get it all rusted. Pretty badass situation here. And then our little cleaning station here for later. You guys will get to see that. Anyways, that's how we are. That's what we're doing. We're out. Next video or before, slippery lobsters coming on. Welcome to 2021 Lobster Mini season. My boy right here, Curtis. We've been diving together how long, Kurt?
I don't know, about 26, 27 years.
You're making me, you trying to make me look older or something? 26 years.
When I started out here with him, my hair wasn't this color.
Right now. And then my boy right here, Michael. You know what I'm saying? My boy right here, just so you guys know, that's the original Ernest Hemingway.
Yeah, they call me Curtis Hemingway.
Curtis Hemingway, there you go. Anyways, we're going to have a great time. We're going to catch some lobsters. There's a lot of boats out here. A lot of boats out here in those little areas. Let's see what we got. Come out. Oh, yeah, he's going to jump in the water now. Boom. All right, go ahead. What's up?
Hey, going down.
Going down. We'll be taking some live footage. No, not that. Video footage of underwater. Underwater with the beasts.
Hang on, Mike.
Here you go.
Hang on.
There goes Ernest Hemingway. He's out. Boom! What's up, Mike?
What's up?
All right. So we're going down deep down under. We're out.
There is a little front.
What's up, guys? Loaded on the lobsters. Limit by 8 o'clock in the morning.
Man, that thing won't open.
Here you go. Let's see what you got.
Ready?
Yeah.
1 or 2.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Lobster Mini season 2021. Never had it so good.
You want to put them in the cooler counter?
Wow. Yeah. What you got, Mike?
So, I got my bag right now. We're gonna count them and see how much we got.
Whoa. Let's see what you got. Got a lot of room in this boat because, you know, all of this stuff. 6 tanks. Whoa.
Let's start counting. You want to count?
Yeah. This is bigger than your foot. What's up, guys? My load. This is the second day of Lobster Mini season 2021. I'm telling you, Mother Nature is good for us. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but we'll figure that out. Here we go. Oh,
look at that.
There we go. Help me. Boom!
Oh, you scared me.
Oh, sorry. Boom!
Oh, look at that. He got 2 or 3.
What you got right here?
Oh, look at that. That's a little one.
What you got? What you got? What you got? All right, we're out. All right, Chris.
Okay.
What's going on, guys? So today's theme is preparation before expectations. You got to prepare your mind, your body, and your soul. Okay, and yes, they're trying to. That's the popo. That's the popo right there, trying to catch us riding dirty. See him right there behind us in the background? They're trying to catch us riding dirty. That's what I'm talking about. Watch this. Watch. You'll see it. You'll see. Right behind me, on my left, or on your right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. There he is. Popo's trying to catch us riding dirty. We're out.
Your catch, guys?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Everyone has a license?
Yes, sir.
I don't got one.
Okay.
He's retired.
I'm old enough not to have one.
These are some nice lobsters right here.
You have them in this igloo in the front as well, or just
No, just
No,
this.
that's it right there.
36. Yeah, you don't want to
Can I
pinch,
see,
you don't want to pinch that.
Can I see this one?
I caught one with a bunch of eggs on it. Nice one. I only seen one of it.
Alright, guys. You guys coming back out tomorrow?
Well, we might. We're thinking about doing some sword fishing. Got me a nice swordfish the other day, so that's on his bucket. It's on
The bucket list?
on his bucket list.
Nice.
On my bucket list. I used to live here.
Okay.
Actually, I took him the first time sword fishing, but I moved away.
Yeah.
So and then when he was learning something, when he gets old, he just lost it.
Yeah. They call him. I don't know if you know. You guys are young. Ernest Hemingway,
Yeah.
Old Man and Sea.
I mean,
The guy who wrote the book.
if you went to the Keys, you probably go.
Yeah, for sure. The Keywest.
Yeah, I know that.
Have a good rest of your day. Just if you can, man, because we always tell everybody from the LOC, let your friends know, because
Yeah.
it's
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It's been 7.5 months, and we're still kind of running that zone.
Awesome. All right, you guys have a good day. Sup?
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Look at all that shit coming out.
Open up, Mike.
Watch it.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Oh, we killed it.
Killed it?
We nailed it.
All right. Good job. Oh, that's what I'm saying.
Not bad for my first trip. Huh?
Not bad, huh? I have to say, beautiful ass paradise out here. Cruise ships out here. Metal right here, a little paradise.
Video.
Little video.
A good idea.
the best part is right here. Bam.